Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up strategy alerts on TradingView. First, open your desired chart and ensure your strategy is applied. This feature allows you to receive instant notifications when your strategy's conditions are met, helping you stay on top of market movements without constant monitoring. It's a powerful tool for efficient trading. Once your strategy is active on the chart, look for the clock-shaped Alerts icon on the right side of your screen. Clicking this icon will open the Alert Management panel. From there, you'll see a large blue plus sign, which you'll click to initiate the creation of a new alert specifically for your chosen strategy. In the Alert Creation window, first select your strategy from the Condition drop-down. Then, specify the exact conditions that must be met for the alert to trigger. You can choose how often the alert fires, such as once per bar close or only once. Finally, decide how you want to be notified, perhaps via email, a pop-up, or even a webhook. Before activating, carefully review all your settings to ensure the alert will function as intended. Double-check the strategy selected, the trigger conditions, and your preferred notification methods. Once everything looks correct, click the Create button to activate your alert. You'll then receive timely notifications, keeping you informed. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.